guys, welcome back to Flat Top Fury. Today I'm with my friend Chris and we are going to be doing a demolition video. We are going to be ripping out a teddy bear's insides and seeing what's inside it. Shout out to what's inside. We're not copying them, we're just going to demolition stuff. We're the Demolitioneers and let's dive right in. Our demolition weapons are
a butterfly knife
and a Boy Scout knife. We're gonna get prepared to do this. By the way, kids, be very careful when handling knives. We have a grown-up with us.
Handle knives with very much care.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna take turns. I'm gonna go first. This is so bad and mean and rude. We know. Oh, I made a tear.
Oh, we're killing.
Start working on the head.
Okay. Pause it.
Hi. We're ripping open a teddy bear.
When you get it open, go get your trash barrel. Actually,
We have a box.
Yeah, we have a box for demo. Right there.
Okay. We got a little.
We've got the first piece of stuffing.
Look at that tub. What tub? The tub to put it in.
Oh, on bus. Here, I'll just cut it while.
No, I'll cut it.
Let's go grab it. It's right over there. We're doing this in a garage.
Yep.
If you hadn't noticed. Our garage, or my garage, or our garage, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah.
This.
The one up below it. Sorry you can't see this, guys, but gutting a teddy bear, it's not really the best, but its blood is going to spill out everywhere.
Yeah, because its blood is real. Okay,
What's
my
that,
turn.
heck?
Yeah.
It's like a white cotton thingy.
Here, my turn. Turn back time.
I'm going to work on cutting its legs off.
This.
No, just cut down the line.
I was still asleep, but now I'm stressed out. Just make it turn back time.
No, cut down the line.
What's this? I'm making a big hole.
Oh, okay. And then cut down the line. So I'm going to use this as like a pelt. You know how people do with animals? I'm going to do that. Did you try the wood carver section?
Oh, my mama sang. And then
Alright,
inside it, there's even more.
Okay.
Here, I'll cut off his ear.
No, wait. Just cut down the head.
Okay.
Just like a little slip, right?
It's like in a
Alright.
movie.
Okay, so the teddy bear is being gutted. Wait, keep the head. Because if I'm, just make it up to here.
Oh my gosh, I just cut this open.
Ah,
Sing, sing. Are you really gonna turn this into a pelt?
yeah. I'm creepy with that one. Like really
It's a
creepy.
stuffed animal.
I do that to all my stuffed animals. Remember, kids, be safe around knives. If you see this video and you know to be safe with knives, please comment, subscribe, like the video, and don't forget, run around your what's it called?
Bedroom.
No, not your bedroom. Your road. Run around your road.
Screaming my name.
Blazing burger. No.
Flat Top Fury.
Yeah, Flat Top Fury. Sorry.
Look at this. So much fluff.
So
Oh, wait, there's a
much
pillow.
fluff. Oh, there's a pillow in it.
Got a pillow. Oh, maybe we cut it open.
Who cares? I can sew it.
Here, I'm
Stupid.
gonna pull all the
What the
fuzz out.
heck?
Ew.
It has like an organ.
People, if you hate us, please don't. Because
Please don't.
It was his idea.
No, it wasn't. It was yours.
Well, it's still fun. It's not real. If it was a real bear, you could sue
If
us
it was
as
a
many
real
times
bear,
as
you
want.
could, yeah, just sue us if it's a real bear. If you think stuffed animals have feelings too, I really hate doing this. But if you think stuffed animals have lives too, comment hashtags animal live.
Yeah. That makes no sense.
I don't know.
Because animals are real. Stuffed animals.
Hashtag stuffed animals.
Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna get a time lapse going, so
Yeah,
let's
we're
do
gonna
that.
Get this done.
Okay.
We made
We
a
found something-
disgusting discovery.
That's in your stuffed animal.
Ugh.
Oh, we get to keep the eyeball. No, that's That's creepy.
Just pull out the eyeballs.
Oh my gosh.
Look how much fuzz there is. There's a whole barrel.
Even though the rest is trash.
Yeah, so I'm working on cutting this creature's tail off. That's right, I'm calling it a creature.
Yeah, because look, it looks like a creepy.
Looks like a
I
demon.
cut his head. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Why are you ripping his head off? Actually, that's a good
I
idea.
love stuffed animals, but I hate
Their abuse.
the
I
abuse.
hate their abuse. Sure you do.
Yeah, because abuse is so bad with stuffed animals. We got
What
something
the
terrible.
heck?
I'm going to show it to you. I have this weird leg. Got another leg. It's actually an arm. So I'm going to show you my friend. This is his new mask. It's so freaky.
Hello.
You look dumb and you're such a... Okay. So yeah, that was dismantling a teddy bear. I almost just stepped on something. And so we're gonna clean all this up. And oh yeah, by the way, we found a beanbag. That was whenever I was emptying something. See, these are beanbag pellets. Beanbag pellets.
They're really annoying to clean up.
Yeah, we got them all. So see you guys later. Thank you for watching us demolition something again. We'll see you guys next time. Comment what you want us to destroy. See you guys later. Adios.